Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The folks at Gotrax sent us one of their folding e-bikes and we're going to review that. So what we need to do is get this box open, get this thing out, and jump right into it. Alright, so I did get the manual out and went through the manual, and it does have some assembly that is required with this bike. It does come unassembled. So let's get it out of the box. We'll get this thing assembled. I mean, it's not that heavy, so I'm sure once it's folded up, I mean, it won't be too bad. Okay, so as you can see, we have this e-bike out of the box. There is some assembly: front tire, seat, front fender, headlight, handlebars, etc. Also, the pedals are right and left. Right side goes on the chain side, left side goes on the opposite side. They do thread different, so just make sure when you do put these pedals on, you put them on the right way. Okay, let's get to assembling this bike, get the battery charged so we can take this thing for a test ride. So it wasn't clear in the directions. I was kind of confused a little bit, but when it's shipped, this is in the front forks. You have to remove this in order to put the axle bolt, which is in the front tire, into the forks itself. I just want to make that clear. Maybe I'm just stupid, but anyway, that was just a little bit of information I thought I should share. Okay guys, the bike is fully assembled. It probably took me about 20 minutes with Kim's help to get this whole bike put together. It's really not that bad. Also want to point out, it does come with a toolkit, so you don't really have to have any other tools besides this.
Thank goodness, because we left them at home.
She had to point that out.
I told her
I was in charge of the tools.
Put the tools in the truck.
Whatever. It came with a toolkit. We got it put together. Alright. There are some things I do want to talk about on this bike right off the bat. The first thing is, this bike does come with two sets of keys. One is a straight key and one is an angled key. The straight key goes into the battery, which lets you lock or unlock the battery, and it turns the power on to the bike. The angled key goes into the ignition on the handlebar. You turn it once and the battery indicator illuminates. You turn it again and the headlight and tail light come on. Alright, up here on the handlebars, you do have an LED battery indicator. This bike does have a throttle, but to get the throttle to engage, you simply pull the brake and let it go to engage the throttle. It releases the parking mode and engages the throttle. so you can go. This is your front brake on the right handlebar, and this is your rear brake. Thumb bell lookout button. But that's pretty much it on the handlebars of this. The payload capacity on this bike is about 264 pounds. The battery range on this bike goes from about 25 miles if you pedal assist down to about 16 miles if you just use the throttle. This Gotrax bike also comes with a 350 watt rear hub motor with a 500 watt peak. It does have rear and front mechanical disc brakes as well. To remove the battery, if you want to take this battery out and charge it in another location other than charging it on the bike, you have to push this key in, turn it counterclockwise or to the left. If you watch right here, this is a little lock button. When you do that, that lock button goes in. Then you have to take this lever on the seat, you push it up, and then the seat tilts forward. You have to unplug it, and then the battery comes out, and you can take it inside, outside, wherever you want to charge it. Once you get the battery back installed, you can push the seat back down, snaps in place, turn your key to lock it so the pin comes back out. You plug this back in, and then you're powered and ready to go. Okay, so since this is the Gotrax folding bike, let's demonstrate how this bike folds. So you take the pedals and fold them in first. Then you take the handlebars and you unclip the handlebars. Then you have to slide it, and then it folds. The same thing with this. You open it up. You have to open it up and pull up on it, and then it just folds in half.
Okay guys, this is a very steep hill that you can't see at my angle, but I can see it perfect, and it's steep, and we're gonna see how great this bike goes up this hill. It's doing great right now. No issues. Going straight on up it. I wish you guys could see how steep this hill is. It is really steep, but I'm not having any issues whatsoever with this bike. I'm maintaining about 11.5 to 12 miles an hour going up it. It's amazing. So easy. Now I'm going to turn around and I'm going to go back down it. So I'm just going to go down. I'm going to use some brakes because it's very steep, and I don't know if you guys can even see it, but from here, look at the crazy steepness, and we just went up it, no problem. So here we go, going down it. Not even using, I don't even need to use the throttle because I'm not pedaling, I'm not using the throttle, I'm not doing anything, I'm just going down it. This is why I want you to see how steep this hill is. This is how fast I'm going down it. It's insane. Now you know how steep that hill was by the speed. First of all, I want to thank Gotrax for sending me this bike because it's amazing. I totally recommend it. I've got a funny story to tell you. I can't make a left-hand turn on a bike. I don't know why, I just can't. But I can on this one. Can you believe it? This is a great bike. It fits me perfect. You can make it smaller or larger for a person that is taller than me or shorter than me. I can touch the ground, and I can't do that on my regular bike. I don't even know why I need a regular bike. This bike is a great bike, and it is priced under $500. We can't go wrong buying it. It's amazing. Totally recommend to get one. You've got to check out their website. See ya. Go and have fun.
Hey, I want to thank Gotrax for sponsoring us to shoot this video today. And also, don't forget to click the link in the description to get yourself one of these e-bikes. Thanks for watching.